How to fix Microsoft Office background task handler, OfficeC2RClient.exe, high CPU usage. Open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Reboot your system. If SFC returned an error, then use the following command lines, pressing Enter after each. If that didn't work, scroll through the list and locate the Microsoft Office suite or the specific Microsoft application you want to repair. Right-click on the Microsoft Office suite or application and select Change from the context menu. The Microsoft Office installation wizard will open. In the installation wizard, look for options such as Online Repair or Quick Repair. Select either Online Repair or Quick Repair, depending on your preference. Click on the Repair button to initiate the repair process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the Repair Wizard to complete the repair process. If that didn't work, System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Select the one you want, ideally before the issue started occurring, and go ahead with the process.